Hi, assalamualaikum guys. Back with me again. This time I will tell you about this useful item. Yup, analog multitester. This analog multitester has several features, namely pocket size, leg weight, ideal for testing electrical and electronic circuit, ideal for shop, office, boat, car, and farm. There are several descriptions of this analog multitester, including 1. Several ranks DC position, 2. 4 ranks AC position, 3. 2 ranks on position, 4. Easy to read 3 color scale, 5. Reset safety input terminal, 6. Mirrored scale, reduce parallel X errors. Technical parameters. Number 1. Sensitivity 2000 ohm or volt DC or AC. Number 2. DC voltage 0 to 10 or 50 for 250 or 1000 volt. Number 3. AC voltage 0 to 10 or 50 for 250 or 1000 volt. Number 4. DC current 0 to 0.5 or 50 or 500 milliampere. Number 5. Resistance 10R times 100R times 1K mid-cell 5. Number 6. Decibels negative 20 plus 22 dB. Number 7. Model name YX-1000A. Number 8. Weight 80 kg. Number 9. Size 59 times 90 times 32 millimeter. Packing information: package blister with insert card, quantity 100 piece or carton, gross weight or net weight 9 kg or 8 kg, means 47.5 times 33 times 44.5 centimeters. How to use it? I will use a battery to measure the voltage by pointing the selector switch to times 10 volt DC. Because we know the battery voltage is not more than 10 volts, so it is directed to times 10. Next, stick the red plug on the positive pole. Attach the negative plug on the negative pole. Pay attention to the needle on the multimeter to what value we will see on a scale of 0 to 10, just to make it easier, because later the calculation will also be easy. Then the result is the designated value. The battery voltage is 1.6 volts. The advantage of this analog multitester is that it can be used to check for damage to a circuit or component. This check is also considered easier to do and use no battery. The price for this analog multitester is around 20,000 rupiah. You can find it at the nearest electronic store and in online shop. Thank you for those of you who have watched it up here. And don't forget to buy this multitester analog, okay? And don't forget to share, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.